What's really important is that you ask your child to teach you how. I have no desire to play Fortnite, but when my son was really into it at age 11, I needed to sit down with him and learn the landscape of it. How violent is it? Am I okay with that level of violence? Is there the possibility for chat with just his connections? Can he make connections? Can he make friends with anybody on the server? Are there filters? Can anybody say anything at any time, or is it well moderated like Roblox? You know, by sitting down and asking your child to teach you how to play XYZ game, to tell you what they love about XYZ platform, you can look through it through the lens of a parent and not a child, and deem if it's safe or not, even if you don't know how to play. That's the most critical thing that you can do, because not only are you learning, but you're also spending time with your child in a way that's meaningful to them.